Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today is Sunday. I'm back again to do a weekly performance review of what we did last week and how our trades are gone. So if you want to find that journal like where I'm going to show, all you have to do is go to watanabe.in and click to the trading journal, and this link would open a Google Sheets. So, and you can make a copy of it and edit it however you want it. So I have made a copy of the Watanabe trading journal, and down here we can come here. This is a weekly consolidated report. So I'm here to do the 16th June report. We were up 1% while Nifty was down around 7%. So on the weekly basis, we are up around 7,800. On a yearly basis, if we see, we are down 10% while Nifty is down around 12%. If we come to the last week trades, we had taken around 29 trades, in which 19 were winning trades. So our winning percentage was 65. So this is the overall options. And in the cash, we're down around 12,000 rupees. So I will show you in the back office, like how much we're down in the cash market. So this is our SAS back office. So I can, if you can see here, we're down around 12,529. Yeah, this was all about the weekly performance review. Guys, I hope you all saw my shorts video where we have posted that we're looking for another talent to join our show. So it's a very nice learning experience for you guys to learn options trading with Kora Reddy himself. I feel like along with that, you'll get monetary benefits also. Like I mentioned, you'll get a stipend. So all the details of it are given in the link in our Watanabe channel in the description. I will show it to you.
Hi, this is I bought this. Hi, this is a I bought this $55 can opener when I was mad at my husband.
I think you go directly to the video, you will find it everything in the description below. So yeah, do apply for it, and the perks are really nice. And I hope to see one of you in our show. So don't forget to apply. Yeah, and don't forget to like this video also. Have a nice day.